Color is not merely a visual decoration. It is a silent language, a powerful energy frequency that speaks directly to our subconscious, influencing our emotions and state of mind. In Feng Shui, using color wisely is like mastering the art of recharging your home's energy. The wisdom of color, Feng Shui, originates from the profound insights of the 5 elements. Every color resonates with a specific elemental energy. Green tones correspond to wood, symbolizing growth, healing, and vitality. Red tones correspond to fire, symbolizing passion, fame, and transformation. Yellow and brown tones correspond to earth, symbolizing stability, nourishment, and grounding. White and metallic tones correspond to metal, symbolizing clarity, precision, and order. Blue and black tones correspond to water, symbolizing wisdom, tranquility, and flow. By using specific colors in particular spaces, we can consciously enhance or balance the elemental energy of that area. So, how can you infuse the energy of color into your home? Rule 1. In your study or workspace, make good use of green. Green wood can stimulate creativity and help relieve eye strain. Placing some green plants or using a green desk lamp are excellent choices. Rule 2. In social areas like the living room, add accents of red or yellow. Red fire can elevate the passion and vitality of the space. Yellow earth creates a stable and welcoming atmosphere for socializing. A red cushion or a piece of yellow art can be the perfect finishing touch. Rule 3. In the bedroom, embrace earth tones or blue. Soft browns or beiges earth can bring a sense of stability and being nurtured. Tranquil blues water can help us relax our mind and body, promoting deep sleep. Avoid using too much bright red or orange in the bedroom. Color is the universe's love letter to us. Learn to read and use this language, and you can turn your home into an energetic canvas that constantly nourishes you. Paint your life with the colors you desire most. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will tackle a question that troubles many: what to do when you're feeling unlucky. Thank you for watching.